Today I'm making delicious bang bang salmon bites in the air fryer. The air fryer is quick and it's easy and it won't heat up your kitchen, which is super important to us this week because our air conditioner is broken. The ingredients you're going to need is salmon, honey, olive oil, sweet chili sauce, nonstick cooking spray, lime, green onions, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, mayo, pepper, and salt. Now I have my salmon cut into bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to add olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. Oh, there's always some left in the bowl, isn't there? Get this out too. And salt and pepper. And stir it up. Next step is we're going to make the bang bang sauce. So I have mayonnaise, okay, our sweet chili sauce, honey, okay, and lime juice. And we stir. Preheat your air fryer to 400 for 3 minutes. Okay, spray your basket with nonstick cooking spray. Place the salmon bites in the air fryer. Okay, we're going to spray our basket just so they don't stick. Try and spread them out. That's good. Thank you.
All right, it's been 10 minutes.
And we're going to test it. Oh, yeah.
190. What's your goal?
125.
I think we're pretty good.
I think so too. I'm trying not to go all the way through. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, our next step is...
Hi, Brigetta.
Hi. Oh, sorry.
Like I'm not even here.
No,
just telling you guys.
I'm just trying to be focused, is to put our bang bang sauce on. Now, if you've been watching for a while, you probably realize we don't like spicy stuff, so I took out some of the spicy parts.
I think that's plenty.
Okay. I got extra if we need it.
Oh, can I do that?
Sure.
These scissors are so cool. They're like, I don't know, Edward Scissorhand, Mark Scissorhands.
Yes.
Let's see.
But the spicy ingredients will be included in the recipe, which you can find in the description box.
How far down do I go?
That's good. Just do one more time. One more time. I have more. Just
that's really cool.
Try and get it out at the outside.
It comes with this cool little tool. It's like a comb. Well, it is a comb, I guess. It's also a protector. Yeah, it gets them all out of there. Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right.
Then you can store it. maybe.
Well, I usually rinse it out first. Okay,
Well,
new
it's
set of
supposed to go on.
tongs. And let's see,
I'll take that one.
what, right here?
No, that one.
This one? I already gave you one.
Thank you.
I'm trying to get one that has some, there we go, sauce and green on it. Okay.
Very nicely crisped in the air fryer.
That was 9 minutes, or 9 to 10 minutes. Shaking in the middle. Okay. I'm trying to pick it up.
Perfect outside.
Wow.
Tender in the middle. That's nice.
Love the sauce.
I like the green onion and the sauce. Yeah, the sauce is good.
Probably put more sauce on.
Now, you may not know this about me, but I do not like mayonnaise. Don't ask me why. Dates back to my childhood.
It's common. A lot of guys don't like mayonnaise. That I've found, anyway.
But Bridgetta has, she's brought me into a better appreciation of the finer foods in life. Not that mayonnaise is a fine food, but it certainly complements this nicely.
Well, you didn't used to like shrimp, and now
True.
you love shrimp. So, yeah, we're growing up, liking more things.
That's good.
That is really good.
Can
And
we
it
say
was really
goodbye
fast.
so we can eat some more?
Yeah, just a minute. No, don't go, don't go. But we do want to say thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, the recipe's going to be in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
We'll have some more.
Some more sauce?
No, some more
Green?
of this.
Okay, I want more green. We need to take a thumbnail, you know.
Okay.
So stop eating.
Put some more